Sinhagad and Manpur were two neighboring kingdoms. Sinhagad was more powerful kingdom than Manpur. Once upon, issue regarding border disputes were increased so much that they could not solve it by mutual understanding. So both kingdoms declared war. In earlier times, king before going on war used to ask astrologer about own fortune. Sinhagad and Manpur's king also went to their astrologers. Sinhagad's astrologer told, "Majesty, according to your fortune, success is assured." By listening this, king of Sinhagad got so much excited and felt happy. While on the other side, Manpur astrologer told, "Majesty, according to your fortune, the hope of losing the war is certain because the position of your stars are not correct. You should gather all necessary requirements for rescue of yourself and your kingdom. If it is possible, then surrender yourself. In this way, there will be no loss due to war." After failing a piece of talk and declaration of war, quitting was considered a great insult. Manpur's king thought much about the views of astrologer and again called his army. Then for the war began to be practiced day and night by Manpur's army. On evocation by Manpur's king, many people joined army and day and night practice was done. Due to hard practice before war, Manpur's army found their weakness and made correction in them. While thinking about success in war, there was environment of celebration in Sinhagad. Dance and poem were held whole day and night. All thought in Sinhagad that their victory is definite, so the powerful soldier of Sinhagad also participated in full enjoyment. On decided date, frightful and horrific war took place. Weak-looking force of Manpur showed their indomitable courage. In warfield, morale of Sinhagad's army, who were thinking about their success, surrendered against the powerlessness of Manpur's army. After losing, Sinhagad's king went in anger to his astrologer and questioned, "You have told me my victory was definite, then why I failed?" Sinhagad's astrologer said, "Majesty, in your fortune the victory was definite, but in the situation of war you created the environment of joy, then your destiny also slept." On the other hand, losing of war was assured in Manpur's king destiny, but he did hard work. By seeing his hard work, his destiny also supported him. He not only gained success in war but also won his destiny and raised his sleeping luck. Destiny supports hard work. If you might have done little effort, then you would have never failed. After listening this, Sinhagad's king realized his mistake, apologized for his behavior and decided to never sit with trust on destiny. My dear brother and sister, we all are interested in knowing our destiny through astrology. But sitting and waiting for destiny to arise isn't the solution. We can't gain anything only by destiny. Destiny only shows the path, but to follow that path decides our goal. You can change the story written in your destiny according to your own. Do something instead of sitting in support of destiny. I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.